How did you prepare for PBARS?
Nagtitraining ako twice a day, and then yung ginagawang training sa akin ng coaches ko, may conditioning, may strength and technique. Tapos yung routine ko, press rin, sleeping early, eating the right stuff, ganyan.
How do you feel now that you're on the verge of sweeping the whole circuit?
Honestly, ayoko pag-usapan yung sweeping the whole circuit. Gusto ko lang, iniisip ko lang, yung mindset ko lang is this is another tournament, and then parang start from zero ulit.
What do you think about the whole PBARS event?
Maganda siyang way to parang scout new talents, ganyan, and feeling ko healthy siya sa badminton community kasi parang yun nga, 4 legs a year, and then parang yung mga kids hindi sila pwede after one, unlike kasi last year parang once a year na yung tournament, so after the tournament pwede silang mag-relax, and then maggawa ng kung ano, and then ito parang kailangan nila maging disciplined, more disciplined, and then parang laging fit, so yun.